Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me tonight. And yeah, I really appreciate you guys viewing my videos, sharing, commenting, and all that. I mean, it's all chocolate love. So tonight we are making a very simple dinner. It's gonna be chicken, white rice, and cabbage. So yeah, let's start. So guys, when it comes to seasoning your chicken, I'd prefer that you season your chicken with whatever that you like. I mean, at the end of the day, you are the one who's going to eat the chicken, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, I'm just gonna use salt and pepper, some paprika, some chicken spice. Yeah. So, but you are allowed to use anything. So we're gonna leave our chicken to marinate a little while we start with our white rice. So I'm going to share this onion into two halves. Then I put one in the chicken and the other one in the cabbage here. So guys, I wash my rice two times. So after I wash it here, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. So I don't usually add salt in my rice, but you're allowed to add it if you like your rice a little bit salty. So guys, when browning the chicken, please do not crowd the pot because we don't want the pan to be watery and then it doesn't brown. It ends up being a mess. So we don't want it. So make sure that you brown your chicken in batches. Oh, the rice is now ready. Okay, let's remove the chicken from the pan so that we can fry our onions. We are adding a teaspoon of curry powder, tomato paste, mixed herbs. So let's add some broth. Okay, and now we are done cooking, so it's time to dish. Okay, so it's now time for taste, the moment of truth. I know it's good. I mean, it's me cooking, so I do understand the technique of cooking. So, yeah, let's give it a taste and I'll let you know how it tastes like. Hmm, 10 out of 10. I mean, wow. This is very, very delicious. Please try this at home and let me know what you think in the comment section. Follow the steps the way I did it. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me tonight. It's been an honor. And yeah, I'll see you next time. It's all chocolate love.